Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create pivot tables in Google Sheets. Pivot tables are a powerful feature that can help you summarize and analyze your spreadsheet data more efficiently. When you have a large amount of information, it can be difficult to manually review every row and calculate totals. A pivot table makes this process much easier by helping you organize your data into a clear and useful summary. In this example, we have a simple dataset containing product names, regions, and sales information. This type of data can be useful for analyzing sales performance and comparing information between different categories. To begin, select the data that you want to analyze. Then go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the Insert menu, select Pivot Table. After selecting Pivot Table, Google Sheets opens a new pivot table layout. This is where you can organize and analyze your data using different sections. The first section is Rows. The Rows section allows you to group your data based on a specific category. For example, you can use a region or a product as a row to organize your information. Next, we have the Columns section. Columns can help you organize your data across different categories and make comparisons easier to understand. The Values section is used to display and calculate numerical information. For example, you can use it to calculate totals, averages, counts, and other useful calculations from your data. By using rows, columns, and values together, you can turn a simple dataset into a clear and organized summary. This makes it much easier to understand your information and find important details quickly. Pivot tables are especially useful for sales reports, business analysis, financial information, project data, and many other types of spreadsheets. They can save time and help you analyze large datasets more efficiently. So the basic process is simple. Start with your data, go to the Insert menu, select Pivot Table, and then use the Rows, Columns, and Values sections to organize your information. And that's how you can get started with pivot tables in Google Sheets. This feature can make your data analysis faster, easier, and more organized. Thank you for watching this guide. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials and technology guides. See you in the next video.